Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a custom domain for your Replit project. A custom domain makes your website look more professional and legitimate than using the built-in replit.app domain. Before we dive in, here are two important things to check. One, your DNS access. You'll need to make sure you know where your domain's DNS is managed. If you're unsure, you can use a tool like MX Toolbox to discover your Nameservers. You'll need to log into your DNS provider, such as Cloudflare, Namecheap, or GoDaddy, later on with this project. Also, you'll need a Replit account. Custom domain setup is allowed on both free as well as paid plans. Okay, so first you'll want to log into your Replit account, and then along the left-hand side, you'll see the sidebar, select apps. Or if you're at your overview page, you can also select it from recent apps. I'll use my project Cabin Connect as an example. Navigate to Deployments and then Domains. Here you'll see the default replit.app subdomain assigned to your project. It works but isn't very professional looking for branding. Here's where you'll want to enter your custom domain. For example, I'm using mountpleasantcamp.com. Once you add your custom domain, Replit will give you instructions to create two DNS records. An A record, which points your domain to Replit's server IP, and then a text record used for verification. This is where you'll want to log into your DNS provider. In my case, I'm using Cloudflare. I will add the A record and text record exactly as shown in Replit's instructions. Once I have those entered, I'll click the option Link Domain in Replit. Cloudflare updates DNS very quickly, so I'm a little biased to their services. It usually updates within 30 minutes of adding your DNS records. I would also recommend that you turn off DNS proxy if using Cloudflare, simply because the DNS proxy service typically interferes with Replit's SSL certificate for your domain. And then to ensure visitors get to your site with or without the www before your domain, I recommend either setting up a redirect on the website DNS side or add www.mountpleasantcamp.com in this case as another domain in your deployment. This way, when visitors type in yourdomain.com or www.yourdomain.com, both will reach your site without issues. That's all it takes. You now have a custom domain running on Replit, making your website project much more polished and professional. If you need help entering DNS records, check out the guides in the description below or drop me a comment. I'd be happy to help. If you have any questions or want more tutorials, put them in the comment section below and I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy building.